It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, July 14th. I'm James Spann. Pretty standard summer weather continues. Maybe a little uptick in the number of afternoon storms each day through Sunday. There's the water vapor satellite view, and you know the story. Come on, it's July. Mid-latitude westerlies, the jet stream up on the Canadian border, flat ridge down here, a maritime tropical air mass, and a little rogue storm before daybreak. That was the radar at 5:11. That storm was below Pondville, the old Centerville radar site, the old WSR 57 site in Bibb County, southwest of Centerville and Brent. Also, one small shower along Interstate 20, not too far from Oxford. But most of the storms come later today. Temperatures are mostly in the 70s, although upper 60s early this morning at Cullman and Fort Payne. We'll expect a high today pretty close to 90. There's the watch warning map, pretty quiet around much of the nation. We do note flash flood watches for parts of West Virginia, Ohio, and New York. A marginal risk of severe weather just north of here, Kentucky and Tennessee. The standard slight risk around Washington, D.C. and Baltimore today. Tomorrow, a risk of severe weather up north over Wisconsin, some of the adjacent states, and a marginal risk just east of Alabama. And day 3 Sunday, a couple of marginal risks well to the north. In much of the country in green, that means thunderstorms are possible there, but organized severe weather not expected. Average rain for the next 7 days, and again, you'll see this a lot in summer, 1 to 2 inches, and of course, your number will vary. Every day, the distribution very uneven. It's feast or famine with these afternoon storms. Tropics still very quiet, a very dry air mass over much of the deep tropics, the Atlantic Basin. No action expected for the next 2 days and for the next 5 days. Here we go, model fans, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. Little trough coming over the Great Lakes, 594 heat, really over the western states, a little 594 ring just to the east of here. But again, that's a classic summer look. But it seems like the moisture could be a little deeper today. And the air aloft may be a little colder today, a little better instability, so showers and storms fired this afternoon, perhaps a bit more numerous than recent days, most of them coming after 1 o'clock. This is the high-res HER at 4 o'clock, and we stress the radar is not going to look exactly like that, but we'll see a number of storms about, not moving much, so some locations getting heavy rain, some locations getting nothing. The old thunderstorm lottery. Pretty much the same deal for the weekend. This is tomorrow and this is Sunday. A mixture of clouds and sunshine both days, scattered showers and storms, most active during the afternoon and early nighttime hours. Highs for the weekend, 88 to 91. Monday, the GFS continues to try and bring drier air down from the north and it builds the ridge a little bit. This is Tuesday. And understand we're not going to leave out the chance of showers, but they should be fewer in number if this stuff verifies. Here's Wednesday. That looks pretty dry. Thursday. And a week from today, Friday, July 21st. Again, the jet stream to the north. Winds aloft here light and variable. Low 90s. Isolated storms. And a little tropical mischief, perhaps, around Puerto Rico. This is the end of the forecast period, 10 days out. This is Sunday, July 23rd. 594 ring, pretty close to where we are. And again, down below that, that looks fairly quiet. And again, we know tropical mischief maybe in the Bahamas. And yeah, Voodoo Land Adventure. It's the GFS. It's summer. We'll find you some bogus tropical system. It's got one on July 29th, Monday the 29th, off the Atlantic coast. And the European has nothing to do with that. And again, more than likely that will never happen. Highs, mostly low 90s, lows mostly low 70s. Those numbers right at seasonal averages for the dead of summer here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.